Alright, so today we're going to be learning about how to graph all sine functions. So in yesterday's lesson we primarily focused on the parent functions, but today I'm going to teach you what to do whenever you have different amplitudes and you can actually make the periods smaller or larger. By doing some different things to your function, and then also you can even shift the starting point to where the starting point is no longer at 0, 0. So those are all the things that we're going to be taking a look at today. So there's two different ways that a function can look. You can add an amplitude, which just changes how high the wave oscillates. Not really a big deal, but this number right here, this one affects the period length. Okay, so this one affects the amplitude. And you can see that down here as well. So that affects the amplitude. But then this number in front of your x, the coefficient on your input, I guess you could say, that one affects your period. And down here as well. And then you can see the only difference between these two forms, there's a big difference, but the difference is this minus c. This c value, that changes your starting point, and that's called your horizontal shift. It's also referred to as your phase shift, but that's going to affect where the starting point of your graph is. So let's just start by changing up the amplitude and the period, and then we'll work on the horizontal shift.